channel. I am so excited to bring you guys this eyeshadow tutorial today because it's like I've been craving a yellow look for so long and just never did it because I don't know why. You know when you have like, you envision an eyeshadow look and you're like, then you go to do it and you're like, that is nothing like I have pictured. This is exactly what I had pictured. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this eyeshadow look, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So let's attempt this yellow eyeshadow look. Okay, so I have primed my eye with just the number 0 concealer from Limelife because it is nice and light and bright, and I don't have a whole bunch on, but I just wanted something. I'm gonna maybe put a little bit more on. I want something that is going to really grab this eyeshadow color. That's better. Okay, so this concealer is a little bit tacky, and if you wanted to blend shadows really well, you would set it with like a setting powder or something like that, or a really light eyeshadow color. But we're gonna dive right into this yellow shade here from the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag Palette. There is a yellow in the Limelife brand. I don't have that one, so we're just going to go in with Campy, but you guys could check that out on my website. I will link all the products I use in the description box below. Let's get started. So I'm taking my Sigma E40 brush, so a big fluffy blending brush, and we're just gonna pick up a bunch of this Campy color. And I'm just gonna start by packing it on my crease. Ooh. So I'm taking it really nice and wide, and this is working so good. It's going nice and bright. So I'm bringing it right here and right up to my brow and around. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then I'm gonna go in with the number 10 brush from Limelife, which is just basically a little bit of a tighter blending brush than the E40, and smoke out the lower lash. Okay, this definitely pops way more when you put on the number 1 concealer, so I'm gonna toss that on because I have nothing under my eyes right now. I'm gonna toss this on as a primer. Perfect. So I'm gonna go and do the same thing to my other eye. Okay, now I'm just going to take my finger and pack that on my mobile lid, just so we have yellow everywhere. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm not quite done with the shadow look, but I'm gonna go and clean up my under eye with my number 2 concealer. I'm just going to apply to brighten. And that just cancels out the purple under my eye because it has a slightly yellow undertone. And then I'm going to brighten with the shade number 0 that I primed my eyelid with. Now I'm going to be kind of backwards about this, and I'm going to put on my eyeliner and my lashes and then see what it needs from there. Okay, this is my Limelife Perfect Eyeliner Pen. I love this pen. decided I want to change the angle of the wing. Make it go more straight up. And then some mascara. Okay, let's toss on some lashes. Bear with me, you guys, because we're gonna make this look sweet. So here it is with the lashes, and I think that lashes are 110% necessary for this look to look kick-ass. How blue do my eyes look? I'm digging this, but I want to just spice it up just a little bit more. I just wanted to see, because sometimes the lashes will totally change the eye look and change how you want to apply the rest, or if any, eyeshadow to your look. So I'm really liking how it looks right now, but I just want to create a little bit more dimension in the eyeshadow look. So what I'm going to do is drop that on the floor. Pick up a little bit more of this campy color. And I'm just gonna take and like swirl this right in this little nook of my eye here, just so it's super pigmented right here, and then blend it. Oh my God. I'm gonna try mixing a little bit of this white cake face is what it's called. Just at the very beginning, yes. Because then that is brightening the yellow, giving the yellow some dimension. Loving this. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love that so much. Okay, we need like sort of an orange or a warm brown. Let me see what I can find. I am going to take number 32, I think, and brush number 10 from Limelife, and just right in the outer V here. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I'm gonna do that to the other side. Okay, and then I just blended that subtly. The blend is on point. I am so happy with how this looks. I blended it and kind of stopped right here where that bright whitey yellow kind of color starts. And then I want to go back in with the yellow and just go over top of that brown. Just to give it a seamless blend and brighten it back up. But it still keeps that like depth in the contour. Oh yes. You guys. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I am going to take shade number 1 in the Limelife colors. Look at my hand, it is all yellow. And I'm going to pop this right in my inner tear duct. And then I'm gonna take this little number 11 brush and just pop a little bit of highlight there, a little highlight there. And then I'm gonna toss one more coat of mascara on the bottom just to make like it bold and dramatic. I think that this eyeshadow look needs that. touch up the liner a bit. Okay, I feel like, oh, I wonder if we can do this. We are just going to add a few faux freckles. Okay, so for the faux freckles, I'm just using brush number 15 and shade number 27 from Limelife. And just take and like dot them on very pigmented until there's like nothing left on the brush. It kind of makes it look a little bit more natural. And then I'm going to try, this is brush number 5, I'm just gonna buff it a bit. There we have some cute little faux freckles. And for the lip, what I want to do is something very like natural, plump and glossy. So I'm just gonna take my foundation color and block out my lips, and then I'm going to toss on this wicked shade. This is just Bliss. It's the clear, it looks a bit orange, but it's clear with a bit of sparkle. I will link all these products in the description box below. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of angel food. Nice and glossy and warm with just like a hint of color. Sort of Twiggy-esque with like the super chunky lower lashes, and then you get the yellow. It looks like it's solid yellow, but you guys can totally see like the dimension that was necessary to make this eye look bomb. This is so awesome. I love this. I can't wait to wear this whole look out. What do you guys feel about faux freckles? I feel like it totally goes with the eyeshadow look. So anyways, there is the finished yellow eyeshadow look. I will link more looks down in the description box below, as well as everything that I used in this tutorial. If there's anything specific that you guys want to see for eyeshadow looks, post in the comments below. I would be so happy to do like a green eyeshadow look, a blue, you guys name it, I will do it for you guys. This was so fun. Be sure that you guys like this video. If you did like it, that really helps me kind of gauge what you guys want to see on my channel, as well as subscribe so that you guys can see when I post new tutorials, new videos, all of that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. So happy with how this turned out. I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!